Hi everyone, in today's video you are going to learn how to set up and use bookings with me in Microsoft Outlook in 2026. For that, first of all, simply open your Outlook application on web or in your computer. Now once you are inside Outlook dashboard, simply hover over to the left hand side and click on the option of the calendar icon to switch to your schedule view. Over here inside the calendar view, you need to just simply look at the booking with me tab here on the top. If you are able to find the booking with me tab here on the top, you just have to simply click on it. If you are not able to find it, you can also directly access it with the help of this particular URL. Now currently in my country, this particular bookings with me option is not available, but in your country, if it is available, it will be shown here on this page. On your booking page, you will see the sections for public and the private meeting types. You just have to click on the plus button next to the section you want to create a new meeting slot for. Public slots appear on your main page for anyone to see, while private slots are only accessible via a direct link you share. So a setup window will appear in front of you where you just have to enter the title of the meeting and select the category, then choose the duration. Ensure that the Teams meeting toggle is also turned on if you want an online meeting link generated automatically. Now you can also customize any kind of specific availability for this particular type of meeting. Once you are done with editing or with the settings, simply click on the option of the save button here on the top. Now you can share this particular meeting link with your members. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.